See?
Okay. Alright. Hey my loves, welcome back. And if you guys are new here, welcome to our channel. This would be Jay and I'm Kay. And this is the life of Jay&Kay. Alright guys. So as you see by the title, you already know what this prank is. And I really hope this prank goes well because I did think of this last minute. Like, this wasn't supposed to go down till later tonight, that we were supposed to go hang out with some friends, but it turns out we're gonna go right now, which is, I don't have my phone, but it's like almost 12. Oh, it's right here. It's 12:03. I don't know if you guys can see that. 12:03. The movie starts 1:20, so I kind of have to go fast, and he's already on his way. So I'm gonna go downstairs, make a poster real quick, and hopefully by the time we're back, oh my god, he's here. Oh my god, he's here. I have to make the poster quick. I'll be right back. Stupid. He's annoying. He thinks he's the shit because he's driving my car.
Wait a minute. Wait a second. Let me explain. So from the last video we posted, the Heyyyy prank, I was wearing the same shirt as I'm wearing right now. I have a reason for that. When we posted that Heyyyy prank and when we did it, it was like a month ago and some change. And this video, perhaps Kaylee wanted to match, so I put this shirt on. And this video we made like last week, so I didn't know anything about a video. I really got pranked. Like, I'm upset, but that's not the point. So before y'all start talking about me, just know I'm clean. Let's get back to the video.
Right?
Your car is a piece of shit.
My car's a piece of shit. My car drives faster than you. Woo!
It doesn't count.
It does. And you're just mad. Traffic right here. So we'll start this in a few because Jay's driving. Unless you want to start it now. Okay, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And I'm in sunshine. I'll just start it after, when we're like later. It's like when we're done with the movie. We don't have to start it now. I'll just say what we're doing. This thing keeps falling. Assholes. I mean, is this a taxi guy?
Yes, taxi.
But the same one?
Yeah, the taxi.
Okay. So right now we're going to pick up Laura to go to the movies. You don't have to put it on, it's okay. Okay. We're gonna go pick up Laura because she's leaving to college Friday. Now I don't know about Jay, but I'm sad as hell.
Do they know
Do they know? Oh no, she didn't come out. So I just insert a picture here in front of Jay's face because no one wants to see Jay's face. Laura's my BFF.
See this video.
Guys, I'll post a boyfriend application here. Seeking a new man. What the hell?
I turned before. So, and he wasn't that close to them.
Why she's not answering?
Cut this shit out.
Hello? I don't know if my message you're sending. Well, I'm near. Okay. Bye, love. Look at how beautiful she is. Mike, this camera's hot. I should have like put this underneath some shirt or something. Cause it's hot.
We can close down.
Laura. Yeah. Jay, we really need a new tripod because look at how loose, Laura. Ready?
I don't even know how to put the AC on.
Ooh. Cruise. Bye, Cruise.
You lost him?
I know.
I can go over here to go to Durham.
Really?
Yeah. Go that way.
Oh yeah, true.
I didn't know.
So what y'all thought about the movie?
I asked that question, no one answered.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, I said so. What's your thing about the movie? And all I heard was, let's lose Cruise.
Oh.
Well, because then after you were like, are we really gonna come back to watch?
Oh yeah.
I said, come on, bro, you gotta do better. Yeah, I know I gotta do better, alright? You know, why are you talking about it? Baby, why you keep talking about it? I should have did better. I should have planned that, like ahead. Like you did.
Hmm?
Oh. Beat the horn.
What the heck?
I don't know, but I stopped. Then I went.
Why'd you make the horn like that?
Does that person know me or something?
I don't know, but
Because
my
they keep
heart.
smiling.
I can't even see them from here.
I can, but they keep smiling.
My heart's racing.
Last time someone beeped the horn in the back of me like that, before when I was turning and stopping, was Madison. Madison smiled. That stupid shit. Who the fuck is that? It's a Ford. Do you know anybody with a Ford?
I don't know, but my heart's racing. That scared me.
But they keep smiling, so I don't know if it's for a reason. Because, right, I was good, right?
Yeah.
I went, I stopped, then I looked.
I can't see.
Who is this? Did you see who it was?
No. It's a girl or a woman? I think it's a woman.
Why they beat the horn at me? I didn't do anything.
That scared me though.
But there was no one near me, so I was confused. Besides her. I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. I don't know what's going on.
Is she still behind us?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Slowly.
there's a car who like literally beeped at Jay so bad.
And like I was at a stop sign, I was fine. There was no one near me, no nothing, so I'm confused.
She's behind us right now. So.
No, we don't know that. I don't know. What She's smiling. I don't know that.
She's like still following.
Well, she's not following us.
Well,
Probably
no.
straight with the way we're in the same way. Maybe she thinks she knows us?
Maybe. But I'm the only one who drives this car. Unless she sees your face, like our face. I don't know. That's really weird.
Yeah, whatever.
Like I want to know if you did something. Like maybe you didn't stop fully, or like, or maybe you like kind of like braked and then brake checked or something. I don't know.
I can brake check her ass. I wanted to. I'll do it again. I braked, stopped at the stop sign, and I went. Simple as that. Simple as ABCs.
See if I can show you guys the car from here. I don't think you guys can see the car thing. It's like right behind us.
Got a red light, so. Better.
I think there's a little girl next to her.
I'm not trying to look. Man.
I can't see her face from here.
Maybe they smile like something else. They don't know us. They would wave.
She's yellow. Wait, no, there's no little girl unless she's ducking.
Yeah, she's dunking.
Oh.
She'll know.
That's weird because I've never seen her. I'm trying to think, maybe like she recognized my car, or I don't know. But like, no, I don't know her. It was just really weird. And I feel like if she was mad at you, she would have like made a face at you or anything. I don't know. I was just thinking something else.
And she would have kept her distance from me the whole time.
Yeah.
She kept a little distance, but not much. What is that? What? I'm mad confused, bro. What the hell? Why are kids beeping? So they're funny.
She laughed. I looked at her and she laughed. Bro, I'm so dead. Oh my god. Oh my, I literally looked at her. She was like smoking too. She just like pulled her cigarette out and she laughed.
Beep. Like, I don't know what's going on.
I'm so confused.
But this is like the third one, because I had one earlier. They were there.
The third one?
This is the third one from her. The second one from her.
Well,
someone else beeped before.
When? Oh shoot. It's fun.
Yay.
That's so funny though.
She's smiling, so I'm confused. I get out the car and like fight. Yeah, fuck.
I love how you're saying this but laughing at the same time.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to curse, but damn. The freak.
It's funny because a little girl, or I don't know if she's a little girl,
There's
but
someone in that car.
she's ducking down.
Do you know her?
I don't know her. Why would I know her?
I don't know, she's beeping.
I don't know.
You see? What's so funny?
Oh my god, I just find this so funny. Oh my gosh, I'm so dead right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're in Forever 21 right now, and Jay's like looking at the men's section right now, and so my camera died, so you guys are gonna see really bad quality in the videos. I'm so sorry. Like, I should have charged my camera beforehand and I didn't, but at least you'll be able to see his reaction. Hopefully the videos come out good. I'm sweating so much, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and prank's not over. Once we leave the small prank, we'll continue. Team Kaylee all the way. Oh no. Maybe we can.
What the fuck? Why is everyone smiling? What is going on? What are you doing? What did you do? What did you do? Because he looked at something then smiled. Wait until I get out of this fucking car.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying.
No, it's so funny. He's still reading it and he's laughing.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
This is why I get a beep again. Oh my god. What the fuck did you do? I'm gonna murder you. I swear to god, if there's something. And the camera fucking died, so now we can't have fun with this shit.
Okay, so.
No, I don't wanna hear it.
Okay, come on. Come here. Come here.
Let me turn the car.
Just leave the car the way it is. Come here.
When did you do this?
When you got here, and you know how I said I need to go get the mail? I went and I was gonna put it in your car, but I was like, no, you're gonna see it, so I put it on my car. I said honk to piss off my boyfriend. That's why when we got off the highway to go see Laura, that's why that guy honked. And you said, remember when we were getting off the highway, exit 6? And that guy honked and you're like, well, I was getting off the exit.
Yeah.
He honked because my sign was there. And then all the other honks, that's why the guy behind us right now was cracking
Why?
up.
I had a feeling. Something like this, but I was like, nah, she's not that smart. Fuck you.
So prank queen, I got you.
That's why the camera's not working, because you didn't think about that.
I got you.
That's why the camera wasn't
Because it was
working.
last minute, but it was a success.
No wonder Laura did like a little, because she didn't see it.
She saw it from the beginning. She knew. That's why we got off the car to go pick up the car. How you feeling, Jay? How you feeling? This was supposed to last all day, but I couldn't no more.
If you would have shut up, I probably would have never noticed.
Yeah, but you were already getting like a little feisty. I'm really bad. I got videos on my phone. I got videos on my camera. Camera died constantly. My phone died. My phone ran out of storage right now, which is crazy. Which is why I like quickly relied on my camera. So some of the beeps I didn't get, but I tried.
Am I fine? This is a good parking.
I got you, baby. Who's good at this? Team
Not
Kaylee?
you.
Yeah. Mine was a success.
Don't worry.
Yours wasn't, and you're mad.
Don't worry.
You're mad. You're mad. You're mad.
Just
in advance.
Sorry
for the bad quality, like video quality. Like it's gonna come out really bad because some is like on my phone, some is on the camera, and that's why that girl was laughing and honking. That's why she kept laughing. Every time I look back, everybody would laugh. Everybody would laugh, Jay.
Does anybody know
This guy was the funniest one right now because he was like ducking down, mad, scared and shit. And now
he said, "Why didn't you put it here?"
Because I didn't think this that big, and I didn't want it to cover my plate.
Yeah, but more people will see it.
I know.
That's why that person beeped. Maybe Russell beeped too.
That's why Russell saw it. Russell had to see who's behind you.
No, he wasn't.
Yes, he was, Jay. Right now, going into McDonald's, he had to look at the back of the car. That's the first thing you see when you're driving. Prank, a success.
I've been driving with
Girlfriend,
this all the time.
I got you.
Just know, I'm getting her back. But
I
worse. Just know that. Have this shit.
Anyways.
I'm hungry. I'm going inside.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the shitty quality. And
don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that. Just know I'm getting her back.
Turn the bell, get notified for our next video. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.